Now next point, 8.6, force law for simple harmonic motion. Okay, then force, do you know that a force acting on a particle F is equal to ma? Okay, force acting on a particle having mass m in simple harmonic motion is, okay, then force acting on a particle having mass m is, okay, mass into acceleration. Force is nothing but mass into acceleration. Okay, mass into acceleration. But we know that that is acceleration. Okay, acceleration in simple harmonic motion. Okay, we know that acceleration in simple harmonic motion a at t is equal to minus omega square x at t. Now this is the equation number 1, this is the equation number 2. Okay, see here, the force acting on a particle having a mass m in simple harmonic motion is, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, but we know that, okay, in simple harmonic motion, acceleration is equal to minus omega square x at t. Okay, then substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. When we have to substitute this equation 2 in equation 1, in place of acceleration we have to put minus omega square x at t. Then force F at t is equal to, in place of a we have to put minus omega square x at t. Okay, means force is equal to this mass into minus omega square x at t, means the force is equal to minus into m omega square x at t. Okay, then we have to, this we can write F at t is equal to, in place of m omega square we have to put a k, means minus k x at t. This is the equation 3, where k is equal to, in place of m omega square we have to put k, therefore where k is equal to m omega square. Okay, therefore from that equation omega square is equal to k by m. Taking square root on both sides, omega is equal to under root of k by m. Now this is the equation 4. This is the frequency in simple harmonic motion. This is the angular frequency in simple harmonic motion. Omega is equal to k by m. Okay, omega is equal to k by m, and this equation 3 is called as a force law. Okay, equation 3 is called force law in simple harmonic motion. Okay, force law F at t is equal to minus k x at t. This is known as a force law in simple harmonic motion. Okay, this force is always directed towards the mean position. The direction of force, okay, in that case the direction of force always towards the mean position, okay, the direction of force is always towards the mean position, means the force always towards the mean position. The force acting on any objects which is performing a simple harmonic motion, the direction of force is always towards the mean position. Hence sometimes it is called as a restoring force. Hence sometimes it is also called as restoring force in simple harmonic motion. Restoring force in simple harmonic motion means the direction of force is always towards the mean position, means the force acting on a object which is performing a simple harmonic motion, the direction of force is always towards the mean position. The direction of force is always towards the mean position.